Hey guys and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about Stitch Fix. Now this is my second box that I've gotten from Stitch Fix. This video is not sponsored. I pay for this on my own. The reason I kind of got into it was because I feel like, first of all, I don't have time to go shopping. I have 3 kiddos at home, one of them being a 4-month-old, so it's really hard for me to go shopping for clothes, and I just needed something new. I was kind of looking into it and I've always wanted to try it, but I've been kind of cheap and I didn't really want to spend the money, but I decided to give it a go. And this, like I said, this is my second month. I didn't do a video the first month just because I kind of wanted to try it out. I wanted to get the whole experience and figure out what was exactly going on. I did keep, this is what I kept from my last box. This was the only item I ended up keeping. So let's just start from the beginning. If you guys want to get into the actual unboxing and the trying on, skip to this timestamp right here. Otherwise, I'm just going to kind of talk a little bit about Stitch Fix, what it is, if you guys aren't familiar. I don't think I get any perks for like referring people or anything, but I will put a link down in the description box if you guys are interested. So basically, it's like a styling subscription box. So you go on, and their app is really cool. You have to kind of fill out your style profile first. What they'll do is they'll show like a picture of a shirt or a pair of pants or just any clothing item, and you can either give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And so then that kind of gives your stylist an idea of like what you like. So that's kind of how they go about styling you. And then you put in all of your sizes, of course. Now I did just have a baby 4 months ago, so my body is not back to how it used to be. So my sizes were a little off. That's what I will say about the first box. The tops were fine because I put in size small and those fit perfect, but the pants were a little off just because I'm still like a size up from what I'm normally, well, size up 1 or 2 sizes up. So I did end up changing the sizes a bit, so hopefully this box fits a little bit better. So after you do all of your profile and everything, you basically they charge you $20 to style you, and they will pick out, I think they pick like 10 different items and they send you an email. Then they have you go in those items and you can pick 5. So you receive 5 items per box. So the first time I was able to go through and I picked my items really quickly. Now this second time around, I did go in the last time and I wrote, because I live in Arizona, so we kind of do lots of layers. So I did say, you know, I would like to maybe have some short sleeve options as well, just because, you know, we can layer it up. So when they sent me my email to pick my items, I liked like 2 things, you guys. I was kind of disappointed and nervous because I was like, oh crap, the shirts they were a lot like this one, and I was like, I don't need another shirt like that. And they sent some short sleeve shirts, or no sleeve shirts, but just like, you know, the cutout shoulders, and I was like, I don't like those. And like I don't know, I didn't like anything. So I was like, oh great, what are they gonna do? So they just said your stylist will go through and pick out 3 or 4 different items. So basically I put in some notes on there, and I did say, I told what kind of pants I liked. I like the high waist skinnies, stretchy, and then I did say I would like maybe some athletic gear as well. Let me just tell you, I have peeked into this box a little bit and my stylist listened. Yeah. Let's just get into it, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts at the end. When you open your box, they send you 2 little, like there's like your packing slip basically, and this tells you how much everything is. I kind of like to go through and like try everything on before I look at the prices. And then this cute little book here, this is so cute that they do this, but you open this up and it basically gives you a little card of every item in your box, and it kind of shows you how to style it. Like just different items that would go with the top or the pants, and I think that's so cute. All right, so like I said, there are 5 items. The first item in here we are going to pull out. This one looks a lot like what I'm wearing, but I'm not mad at it because it's so soft. So it's just this little gray top right here, and it does have a hood. Get over the material. Now the arm has like little stripes on the side, and it's so soft. It feels just like this one. I wonder if they're the same brand. Market and Spruce. Now I don't know anything about these brands, like I don't know where they get them from, I don't know, but I will say they are better quality from like the stuff that I usually pick out, like maybe at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something. It does feel like really nice quality, and it's really soft. I will go through and tell you the prices as we go. So now that top right here is online. It says that this thing should be like $42, but on my paper it's saying $24.99. So I'm not mad at that. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what happened, but anywho, now this next one, this is from Market and Spruce as well. This is just a pretty little, it's like an olive color and it's got stripes and it's like a 3/4 length sleeve, and I do really like how it's like tighter right here, so it's gonna like, you know, see how I have mine pulled up anyways, it's gonna kind of already sit like that. And it's that nice soft material as well. It's so pretty. I love this. And all the tops that I get are in the size small. The pants are, I put size 8. And now that top says it is $40. All right, the next thing in here, these are the leggings. So I did write in there that I would not mind some athletic gear. So these are just some really cute yoga pants. And they're kind of like, not super tight up at the top, but they're a little bit tighter so they can kind of squeeze everything in a bit. And they do have the little side pockets right here, which I love. I love to just put my phone in there. And these are from Soul and Sky. I've never heard of that brand, but probably because I buy my clothes on Amazon, so why would I have heard of nicer stuff? And I'm trying to figure out the color. They're a really pretty color. They're almost like, there's like some blues in there and some grays. And like yesterday when I tried them on, they almost had like a green tint to them. And these retail for $46. Definitely the most expensive pair of leggings I've ever tried on. All right, the next item in here, this is from Just USA. I've never heard of that brand either. These I got, these are size medium, it says, size 29. And they're kind of capri-ish on me. I have pretty long legs, so I don't know if these are supposed to be normal length or if they're supposed to be kind of capri, but I actually really, really like the length. And I think these will be nice to wear out here in Arizona. These will be perfect for, I can wear them in the summer or even in the winter. I could put boots over them, but they're really cute. And they're, yeah, they're stretchy. I did write that on my thing. I was like, I want stretchy clothes. So these are just really cute too. These retail for $33.99. That's a great price. And it says it's in the color indigo. Oh, and they do have like one little, or a couple little like rips here, but they're not holes or anything. It's just kind of like a little bit of texture. Okay, last but not least, these are my favorite. These are from Liverpool, Los Angeles, skinny, and these are in size 8/29 as well. They're completely stretchy up on top. These are perfect for my post baby belly. So these, oh, I love that. They're so stretchy and they're so like, they're just like really good quality. And this is what the back looks like. They're just super, super cute. These are probably my favorite. They just fit perfect. They kind of like sit right at the perfect spot and they just kind of hold everything in, and then they're nice and tight in the legs. These are on the high-end side to me because I usually spend like $20 on jeans, and these are $89, but they're so cute. All right, so that is everything in my box this month, and spoiler alert, I'm keeping everything. Everything fits so perfect, and everything was so cute. I really needed new pants, so I'm really excited about those. So let me tell you guys the best thing about Stitch Fix. Now, if you were to buy everything as is with the cost normal, it's $233.98. That's a lot for clothes to me because I'm used to kind of being a little bargain shopper. But if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount, so that's a savings of almost $59. So that puts my order subtotal at $175.48. Plus, I've already spent the $20 for my styling fee. Shipping's free, so if I order everything from my box, it comes out to $155.48. So Merry Christmas to me. Honestly, that's not a bad deal because if I were to keep anything, I would probably, like my favorites were probably these jeans and maybe one of the tops. And by the time I order those two, I'm already at like 120-ish, 130. So it's like I might as well spend $25 more and get everything. So it's kind of a no-brainer to me. So basically what I do now is I will go into the app and I'll basically just say like purchase everything. Now if you weren't purchasing everything, like last month how I only kept this, I just went in and I said, I think you like check like send back or what, I can't remember exactly what you do, or just order what you want. I just ordered this and then it basically it took the $20 off from my styling fee and it charged me like 20 some dollars, and then that was it. They send this in your bag they send this in the bag with you. So you basically just package everything up in this bag. So I already got a little postage on there, and all you do is stuff everything in there, take it to the post office, throw it in the big blue box. It won't fit. I couldn't get it to fit in a regular like blue mailbox thing, so I did have to go to the post office and put it in there, but that's not a big deal. So it's super convenient. The one thing I will say, they only give you 3 days, so you want to make sure that you get that in the mail so you don't get charged. But like I said, this time I'm keeping everything, so I don't need to worry about sending it all back. But so far I'm pleasantly surprised with this company. The quality of the clothes are very, very nice. I like the ease of it. Like, it's so simple. I like being surprised. Like, it's not like you're just going on and shopping for yourself. You're getting surprised and someone's actually putting thought into what they're looking for you. So yeah, I am happy with this company so far. It's only my 2nd month, so we shall see. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. If you've ever had like any bad experiences or if you guys have good experiences, I'd love to hear about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and we will see you all next time. Bye.